We have this Mk8 Ford Fiesta in, and the customer wants a reverse camera that would work with the factory screen. So we fit a fully integrated system that replaces the boot handle for the camera and also the number plate light as well. So the actual electronic button to open the boot works with this new camera system that we put in there. What we'll do, we'll show you the actual camera itself. So that's the actual screen, and that's the factory Ford screen. So print reverse, and there you have an image of the back. And there you have a reverse camera that acts like the Ford factory reverse camera.